Welcome to this module on Core Environmental Management System Concepts. We will cover essential terminology, the PDCA model, and the relationship between environmental aspects and impacts. First, let's look at EMS terminology. An environmental aspect is any element of an organization's activities or products that can interact with the environment. An environmental impact is the change to the environment caused by an aspect. Other important terms include objective, compliance, and control, which are frequently used in ISO 14001. Understanding these terms is key to interpreting and applying the standard correctly. Next, we have the Plan to Check Act, or PDCA, model. This model provides a structured approach to managing and improving environmental performance. Plan means identifying environmental aspects, assessing risks, and setting clear objectives. Do involves implementing processes and controls to meet those objectives. Check is monitoring results, measuring performance, and evaluating compliance. Act focuses on reviewing outcomes and making improvements. PDCA ensures continuous improvement and is central to effective EMS implementation. Finally, let's explore the relationship between environmental aspects and impacts. Every environmental aspect has the potential to create one or more impacts. For example, energy consumption as an aspect can lead to greenhouse gas emissions as an impact. By identifying aspects and assessing their impacts, organizations can prioritize actions to reduce negative environmental effects. This connection between aspects and impacts helps drive practical improvements. In the next lesson we will discuss benefits of ISO 14001. Stay connected with us. Thank you.